As Virginia sees its first big winter storm of 2019, Governor Ralph Northam has declared a state of emergency Saturday in advance of any effects from the weekend winter storm. The state of emergency order will help officials mitigate any damage caused by the weather. State officials predict snow, ice, sleet, and rain coming through the area will likely result in downed trees, power outages, and transportation impacts.
A state of emergency allows the Commonwealth to mobilize resources and to deploy people and equipment to assist in response and recovery efforts. I am declaring a state of emergency in order to prepare and coordinate the Commonwealth's response to anticipated winter storm impacts, including snow and ice accumulations, transportation issues, and power outages, said Governor Northam. Virginians should take precautions to stay safe as we begin experiencing winter weather effects. The Virginia Department of Emergency Management, State Police, Virginia Department of Transportation, Virginia National Guard, and other agencies are already mobilizing and preparing for the impact of this storm. The declaration authorizes a maximum of $100,000 in state funds to assist with carrying out efforts.
Virginia residents can visit www.vemergency.gov/winterweather for more information. Virginia residents can also call 511 or visit 511virginia.org for real-time traffic conditions anywhere in the state.